Assalamualaikum, dear students of level 6. How are all of you? I hope you all will be fine and enjoying your summer vacations. Today we are going to start our remedy pack of subject English A plus B competency knowing. We will be able to know about the different concepts of grammar. Question number 1 is choose the best answer. But before starting the question number 1, let's discuss the basic concepts of articles. If you open your grammar tree book, we have chapter number 5, articles we have discussed, we have studied in our class. The, and an. Definite article is the and indefinite article is called and an. Okay, indefinite articles are and an. They do not refer to particular nouns, they refer to noun generally. Is used before noun that do not begin with a vowel sound. We are talking about the vowel sound. Okay, n is used before noun that begin with a vowel sound. And the is the definite article. It is used to identify the specific noun. We use it when we know which particular noun we are talking about, कि किस noun के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ हम दा लगाते हैं. For example, here is an example. Shamma wants the black dress. शम्मा को ब्लैक ड्रेस चाहिए. Here the black is a particular noun, black dress is a particular noun, and we have to use the article before black. Question number 1. Choose the best answer. The number of articles are 5, 3, 6 and 2. The correct option is B, 3. There are dash kinds of articles. 3, 4, 2, none. 2 kinds of articles, but the number is 3. A and an are dash articles. Definite, indefinite, both A and B, main. So the correct option is indefinite article. The is dash article. Definite, indefinite, both A and B, none. So the correct option is definite article, which is used with specific particular noun. We use indefinite articles with dash noun. We use indefinite article with singular noun. We use definite article with dash noun. Yes, we can use definite article with plural and singular. Depend upon the situation, depend upon the noun we are using in a sentence. We use a with dash. Consonant, vowels, particular, none. We use consonant with a. We use an with dash sound, with vowel sound, and you use the with dash things, with particular things. We have studied in chapter. Some adjectives behave like noun when we place dash in front of them. जी, जब हम क्या लगाते हैं, noun के साथ दा लगाते हैं तब. Thank you so very much. This was all for today. In the next video we will solve our remaining MCQs, solve on your remedy pack, and revise the basic concepts about articles, what are articles, number of articles, and how we can use the articles in a sentence. Thank you so very much.